Cool.
All right, man. Have a good day.
You too.
You too. Don't work too hard.
Thank you.
You got it. Out here doing this Uber thing today, which I hate. But got to do what you got to do out here. So the other things come along. I've been talking the last few days about doing YouTube. If you've been paying attention, a couple of the other videos, this is video number 3 on this new channel. And all I'm trying to do on this channel is get the word out on what's going on with YouTube. It's become so easy. I don't have to tell you. You've probably seen other people on the internet talking about how easy YouTube is right now. A great way to either subsidize what you've got coming in money-wise. Whoops, come out there. Subsidize what you got coming in every month, every week, however you want to look at it. But right now with YouTube, it's such an easy mode. If you're, I'm telling you, I've said it before. I'm over 70. I do what I got to do to make a living out here, to subsidize what I've got with Social Security and a small pension. But right now with YouTube trying to help new creators, I can't, I can sit here and start pulling my hair out and telling you how exciting it is and all that kind of stuff and jumping up and down. I'm sure you've seen those guys. I'm not trying to sell you nothing. Nothing on this channel am I trying to sell you about. All I'm doing is talking about what's going on with it. And if you jump on the bandwagon, since they've made it so easy, I've got a faceless YouTube channel. If you don't want to show your face, you ain't got to show your face. This is the only channel right now. I used to do it on another channel a long time ago. And it was something that I wanted to do because I felt like I was interested in it. It wasn't something that everyone else was interested in. If you want to make money out here on YouTube, you just got to find what the other guys are doing that are making money. I don't want to go. Try to give me an Uber run. You got to do what the other guys are doing. Don't try to be creative in so many ways if you're wanting to make money. And I've said it before, I'm not going to do no gardening channel because that's just not going to do it. Right now with faceless YouTube channels and AI helping, this is the future for a lot of people. I see it as my future now. I wish I had started this some time ago, but AI right now makes it so easy you just can't miss. It does everything virtually for you. You just got to tell it what you want, and bam, 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 here it comes. And a little move over here and change things, or create something to go along with what was created over here, and put it all together and upload it. And with VidIQ.ai, my gosh, it does the work for you. VidIQ, and I think I said it yesterday, is at another level right now. No, there comes another Uber run. I'm not going to do it. I'm talking right now. VidIQ, the way it helps you analyze what's going on YouTube, the way it helps you with what you're doing on YouTube is at another level. That alone is worth every penny you could want to pay for it if you're going to do YouTube channels. And it's not costing a whole lot of money. Like I said before, I think I'm spending $80 a month on the few little apps and video. You can do it for free. There's a link in the bottom down here. There's another run. I'm not doing it. Go away right now. I'm talking. Trying to teach somebody something out there that wants to learn something. In video right now, the way it puts everything together for you after you use ChatGPT a little bit, which is free, and then VidIQ. And like I say, I'm gonna leave the link in the bottom down here. Just click on it. All you got to do is go over there, set you up a free account. Use your Google account to sign in with, and it's that simple. I've told you about Matt on some of my other videos, the last two. Matt Parr, Make Money Matt. Go watch some of his videos. The kid does it right. He's doing it right. I'm not trying to sell you. Go away. I'm still talking. I'm not trying to sell you on his stuff. He has some products, training courses, and stuff like that for sale. I can't afford it. If I could afford his program, his master program there, if I could afford it, I would get it. I just can't afford it yet. My checks hadn't started coming in. My channels are growing though. I can see where it is going. And like I've tried to say in the other videos, you got to be consistent. You need to do something consistently on it. 2 times a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. You got to show YouTube that you're a consistent person on your channel. You're not just going to upload 4 or 5 channel videos and walk away from it. They want to see consistency in what you're doing. That's why everyone tries to tell you, and I'm going to tell you too. Once you get up to, I can see it where you get up to 10 to 15, even 30 videos, commit yourself to doing 30. If you're going to start this, go ahead and say, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to test it. Do 30 videos. That's it. Do 30 videos and see what the outcome is. What you got to lose, if you got some free time, if you're not working right now, if you're sitting at home and you got a phone, you can do all of this on your phone. It's going to be a little tougher, but you can do it. Go look at Matt's stuff. Make Money Matt. He started on a broken iPhone when he was 14 years old. And he's become a very wealthy 24-year-old. And he's going to show you how he did it. He'll tell you right through. I'm going to put a link down in the bottom to one of his videos, and you can click on that and go watch, and he'll take you right through the steps of setting this up. And everything that he showed me, and a few others, I've looked around. I didn't just jump in. I did a little, like this channel here. I grabbed the name for it back in December. I grabbed a lot of the names that I grabbed back in December because I could already see that what I had done in November was already starting to work. And there's niches that you can grab that are highly, highly going to help you get somewhere. It's what people search for, and I'm going to, top 10 videos. You can do retirement travel videos are doing very good. History, unbelievable. I'm not doing that one either. History channels are doing real good right now. So there are niches out there, and Matt will explain these. He's going to give you a list of them. He's going to show you how to find whatever it is you're interested in through in video. He'll show you exactly how to find what is working on the internet and what you need to be kind of looking at doing if you want to make money. If you want to do the gardening channel, knock yourself out. But I'm out here to do, if I'm going to do this, why it is so easy. I'm going to keep saying that, how easy it is right now. I'm going to keep on doing what's working. I'm going to keep on doing what others are doing that are making it happen out here for themselves. You don't have to wonder about it and think about it. What am I going to do anymore? What am I going to do a channel on? Go through in VidIQ.ai, and it will help you get there. It will make things a lot easier for you. So don't be afraid of AI like everyone's trying to say. It's going to kill us. It's going to take over the world. We're all going to die because it's going to destroy us. It'll get rid of mankind. I've heard those stories. But right now I'm making money. I can see it coming in. I know my February, March, April, May. I can't wait for June. By the time it gets to June, Daddy-O, most people call me Daddy-O if you haven't found it out by now. My middle initial's O and I'm a daddy, so I'll become Daddy-O. My life is changing at 71 years old. And when I say anyone can do it, if I can do it, if Matt can do it at 14 and I can do it at 71, yeah, I think anyone out there that wants to do it, that has the desire to change their life, to have the desire to make things happen for them, get out of the hole that they're in, help their family, whatever your motivation is. YouTube, sorry about that. YouTube, as easy as it's gotten, is there for the new creators. If you're just someone that's never touched it before, this is your time. Get off the couch, get on the phone, get on your laptop, get on whatever you have the ability to do this on, and do it. Don't wait no longer. I've gone to my parking spot, my parking situation. I sit here and I'm closer to the hotels here. I'm closer to the major grocery stores. Walgreens is right over there. So I see you got Bell's and all that stuff right up the road. Bell's Outlet. So this is a good spot to sit. So I've learned over the years of doing this and trying to survive that location is not just a saying. It works. So if you can, get on this, because it will change your life. And like I say, I'm not selling no courses, and I'm not doing anything here to make money off of you. I hope you click. I hope you ring the bell. I hope you subscribe. Those things are important to let me know how this is working, instead of doing faceless stuff, because I know the faceless is working. And if you put in the effort, you can get the rewards out of this. This is not hard to do. So with that, I'm going to let you go. I'm not going to keep you long today. I might do another video later, but right now, with this one, Daddy-O says he's going to let you go. All right. Check back in, though. Tell a friend. Do all the stuff you're supposed to do below. Now, check below, because there are the links down below. Okay? I'm going to make sure that they're there for you. So, in VidIQ.ai, VidIQ.ai, and check out Matt. He'll enlighten you. He'll show you all the details on using those things. I'm not going to sit here and, because I'm talking to you, just trying to get you to understand how this is working. I won't let the little geeky guys tell you the details on how to use it, because they taught me, and they'll continue to teach me. All you got to do is pay attention. It's not hard. Believe me, anybody at any age can do this and make it work. So get off the couch, get off that tree stump, do what you got to do. Daddy-O says he's going to let you go for now. Bye.